Hey, what's going on, guys? So today I'm trying some chips. I'm hanging with the hummingbirds, which you can't see, right by their feeders here, my little mini garden. So today we're trying these Doritos Collisions. Alright, so this is tangy pickle flavored Doritos and Cool Ranch flavored Doritos mixed together in a giant bag. So apparently this is exclusive to Sam's Club. Alright, so that's where I got it. I got it at Sam's Club. So that's what makes this kind of hard to get, because number one, you have to have a Sam's Club location by you, or one that you're willing to drive through, or drive to rather. But also, Sam's Club used to be that you can go there and not have a membership and you just pay like 10% extra on everything, but they got rid of that. Now you can't even go in unless you have a membership. So now you have to pay for a membership, which I think is like 60 bucks a year. It might have gone up, I don't know. But my wife and I do shop there for some bulk foods, not everything. Some stuff is amazingly cheap, but other things aren't really a deal, just like everywhere. You have to know where to pick your groceries, where to get certain things. So, long story short, most of you probably can't get this, but some of you can. If you know someone who has a membership to Sam's Club, you can use their information to order it online and have it shipped to yourself. So there's that tip. Anyway, so there it is. Let's go ahead and break it open and try it. Now, I've had Cool Ranch Doritos since I was a kid, so if I grab one of those, who cares? Really, what we're looking at is that tangy pickle. All right. Oh, man, that pickle. That is really punching through on the smell. Yeah, it smells sour and pickly. So here's the thing. All right, Cool Ranch, it even shows it. This is the traditional look, right, of Cool Ranch. If I get that to focus, this is the whole camera. There we go. So we have the, like, what is it, red and green little speckles on there. So that's probably Cool Ranch. We'll give it a shot. Yep. So I have to see if visually I can figure out which ones are pickles. Like this one does not really have that on there. And it smells like pickles. So, if you pour this into a bowl, you can probably pick, you know, which flavor you want. But anyway, so, tangy pickle. Let's see what it's all about. Oh yeah. You know what? I'm not sure what I was expecting. Tastes exactly like it's supposed to. It tastes like a really good pickle. Like specifically a dill pickle. Now, I know it's blasphemy for some people, and pickles are kind of strange because I know people who don't like sweet pickles, but they'll eat regular, you know, sour pickles. And then I know people the opposite, like they won't eat a sour pickle, but they love sweet pickles. If I had to choose, I definitely like sweet pickles over the sour ones, but I like pickles across the board. And because I'm talking about pickles, I got to give my buddy Corey a shout out. He is the man, and Corey is a huge fan of pickles. So, hope you're doing good, buddy. But yeah, that's it. It tastes like pickles. If you want a pickled Dorito, and you also happen to like Cool Ranch, and you also pay for a membership to Sam's Club, and you also want to go there to find this, then that's that. I guess you would get this. They were sold out for a while when this first hit the shelves, and last time I went there, so I've been looking for it every time we went, and I'm talking over the course of maybe 2 months or so. But there was a brand new display, and it seemed like no one wanted them. There was a whole display there, like maybe they just put it up before I walked in, but either way, I feel like everyone who wanted to try these probably already tried them, right? Except for me, and I'm doing it right now. And it's nothing special. Like, I'll tell you a quick little story, and I'm super, super bummed. I was at it was a Weiss grocery store, and I was traveling. So this is not a Weiss by me at all. And I happened to go in there for something completely unrelated, and I saw they had Herr's brand, H-E-R-R. They had 3 different flavor chips that I really wanted to get for a video. One was tomato pie, which is like a pizza, which sounds awesome. The other one was like Herr's version of a Reuben sandwich, which sounded good. And I really can't think of the third one, but I got all 3 bags, and they were expensive. They were ridiculous, whatever it was. I think it was buy 2, get 1 free, but they're like $5 or $6 a bag or something crazy. And I left them in the parking lot. I went in there for 3 or 4 different things, and I put the cart like in the lobby area and grabbed the bags, but I grabbed all the bags out of the cart, but later realized that like I did the self-checkout, which I'm not a fan of self-checkout at all, maybe for this reason, but the little turnaround, you know, where you bag everything, when I rotated it, the chips were on the other side, so I didn't see it. So after I paid and everything, I grabbed the bags, and I missed the chips. So whoever went after me got 3 free bags of chips, I guess. But that sucks because I paid for them. I didn't get it. So yeah, I'm still kind of bummed about that. Anyway, that's all. Pickle and ranch. It's not a bad combo at all, but it's really nothing special. So if you can't get this, you're not really missing out. Unless you are massively obsessed with pickles, then I'm sure, like I said, you can find someone in your life that has a Sam's Club membership, or buy one yourself, and you can get the elusive Collisions Doritos. They're only available at Sam's Club. Now, if you know that there's somewhere else you can get this, let me know. But that's, to my understanding, it's only a Sam's Club thing. So that is it. Hopefully you guys have a wonderful day. Actually, before I go, I'll show you the garden, since I'm sitting in the garden. All right, so hang on a second. Let me take you off this little contraption here. Tripod contraption. There's a tripod. So, let me flip my little viewfinder around. So this is my wife's little thing going on here. Very nice. So this year, I had a lot of plans, and they all kind of went south. So I basically ended up with a raspberry plant, which will not fruit this year. I have to wait till next year. And a cherry tomato plant, which there are plenty of cherry tomatoes growing on at the moment. So we'll see, but that's essentially it. This is my quiet place. This is where I just kind of hang out. We did finally get some lounge chairs to get some sun, and there hasn't been sun. It's been nothing but raining, and the chairs are now completely filthy, so I have to clean those off. But this is it. This is just, like I said, my little quiet place to just kind of hang, a little bit of privacy from the road, and I love it. So I'll show you real quick over here. This is, well, they're in the bushes there, but you can see them, my little hummingbird feeders, which are almost empty, so I got to go fill them up right now. And if you got a keen eye, you'll notice the machete sitting there. So if I'm out here in my underwear trying to catch some sun and some stuff's going down, well, I have a dedicated outdoor machete to protect myself. But most times when I come out here, I actually bring my gun, which kind of sounds stupid to some people, but you know, I could be sitting here and a bear rolls up on me. Maybe a person I don't know rolls up. Who knows? Wildcat. Your guess is as good as mine. So got to be prepared, right? Or paranoid in some people's mind, but that's okay. Anyway, that's all. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.